Pregnancy comes with a millions do's and don'ts, and one of the most commonest question I hear, Doctor, can I exercise during pregnancy? Is it safe? What exercise should I do and what should I avoid? In short, the answer is yes. For most women, exercise during pregnancy is not just safe, it's actually really helpful. It can boost your energy, improve your flexibility, lift your mood, and even get your body ready for the labor. Hi, I'm Dr. Pooja Bansal, consultant gynecologist in Navi Mumbai. Today, I'll guide you on safe exercises in pregnancy and what precautions to take. Is exercise safe during pregnancy? The short answer is yes. Many moms to be worried that exercise might harm their baby. But for most healthy pregnancies, gentle activity is completely safe and offers many benefits. It strengthens muscles, support joint, and help with stress and keep the weight in check. Of course, some situations need caution. If you have high-risk pregnancies like placenta previa, history of preterm, cervical issues, or certain medical conditions like anemia or heart problem, intense exercises are not recommended. But are there situations where exercise is not safe? Absolutely, and we'll be talking about those. So what exercise can you safely do? Walking is one of the easiest and safest option. You can do it almost anywhere and it keeps your body moving without putting pressure over your joints. Prenatal yoga is excellent too. It helps with the flexibility, breathing and relaxation, which can be really helpful during labor. Swimming is gentle on the joint and ease your back pain, while low impact aerobics can keep your heart healthy. Just make sure it is designed for pregnancy. And don't forget pelvic floor exercises or Kegels. These strengthen the muscle that supports bladder, uterus and bowel, helping with the labor and postpartum recovery. These are gentle, safe and keeps both baby and mother healthy. But let's flip the question. Which exercise or physical activity to avoid during pregnancy? Avoid heavy weightlifting as it can strain your back and abdomen. High impact activities like jumping, running, especially if you weren't used to of this before pregnancy, you should skip. Contact sports like football, martial arts are risky, as are the activity where you could fall like cycling, skiing, horse riding. In short, avoid anything that will injure your abdomen and increase chances of falling. So what precautions while exercising during pregnancy should you take? When exercising, always listen to your body. If you feel tired, take a break. Wear comfortable clothing, supportive shoes and stay hydrated. Try to avoid exercising in a very hot condition, which will always start with a gentle warm-up and finish with a cool down. If you feel dizzy, chest pain, shortness of breath, abdominal pain and notice any kind of a bleeding or a leaking, immediately contact your doctor and stop exercising. Paying attention to your body keeps you and your baby safe. How much exercise is enough and how many times a week can I exercise? Aim for around 30 minutes a day, 4 to 5 days a week. If it feels too much, you can break down into shorter sessions. The key is the consistency, not the intensity. Regular, gentle activity is better than pushing yourself too hard once in a while. So if you're wondering what is the safest physical activity across all trimester, walking. Walking is the most reliable. Combine it with gentle stretching, prenatal yoga, pelvic floor exercises for a complete routine. This mix keeps you active, supports your body, and it is safe for you and your baby. So yes, exercising during pregnancy is safe, healthy, and recommended when done it in the right way. If you want personalized exercise plan, talk to your doctor before starting. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more such pregnancy tips. Remember, healthy mom means healthy baby.